Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about add items to the set. Okay, let's have a look here. In this, we have three concepts are there. One is add items to set and as well as update sets and as well as add any table. Okay, let's have a look here. Suppose if I want one additional item to the set. Okay, here I am taking see for adding elements we are using add method. Okay, add method. See, this is set. Okay, this is set dot. Okay, this set dot add, we are using add method. Here I am adding orange element. Okay, orange element, and let's print. Okay, let's print this set. Okay, now you have see this. See, the output will be print like this. Okay, the orange element printed. Okay, this is unordered, right? Sets means unordered, that's why it will print randomly. Okay, there is no order for output. Okay, next, suppose the next concept is update set. Okay, update set. Here update set means, okay, here I am taking one random set, that way that name is, that variable name is a. Here I am taking 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, three numbers I am taking. Next, this set dot, here we are using update method. Okay, for update sets we are using update method, update dot a. Now what happened? Okay, these two sets will be added. Okay, these two sets will be come as one more set like this. Okay, now run again. See, 1 comma 2 comma 3, run again. Okay, in this way it will be print. Okay, the two sets will become as one set. Okay, this is the update sets. Okay, next, add any iterable. Okay, here add any iterable means, here I took set. Okay, the set representation is in between the flower braces, right? Likewise, instead of flower braces, here I am keeping square braces. Okay, the representation of square braces means that is list, right? Okay, the the list of items is add to the set. Okay, by using update method, the list of items add to the set. That means one data type of, okay, one data type of element. Okay, here data type means not integer, not a string. I'm not talking like that. Inbuilt data structures. Okay, I'm talking about inbuilt data structures. One type of data structure will be add to another data, another type of data structures. Okay, like here the list will be add to the set like this. Okay, here I am taking as a list 1 comma 2 comma 3. This a should be updated to first set. Okay, this set dot update a. Okay, now it will be print like this. Okay, see, in this way it will be print. Okay, in this way we have to add item to the existing sets. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Let's do practice. If you practice, if you easily understand. Okay, if you understand this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, do directly code practice. Okay, if you do directly code practice, you understand very easily. Okay, thank you so much.